Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are looking back at the very Thomas Jurd story, which is the leaked extract for this year. Now, today we are comparing a level 2 answer to question 2, which would probably be, explain how the writer uses language to show how Thomas is feeling. Now, this is an example of a level 2 answer, and I'll explain why. The writer uses language to describe Thomas as being scared. Repetition is used to imply that he is frightened. He ran as fast as he could. The verb ran. You know what, I'm going to put this as a level 2/3 answer. This is the first paragraph of it, by the way. You need 2 paragraphs. The verb ran is repeated multiple times throughout the source. This suggests to the reader that Thomas is panicking, as running has connotations of trying to escape from somewhere to something. This is spelled very wrong. That's close enough. This links back to how he feels, because we know from the constant use of the word ran that the writer is attempting to emphasize to the reader that Thomas is running due to him being scared of it. Now, this is in red because it kind of repeats what we've said. For linking back, we want to say this links back to how Thomas is feeling because it is clear to the reader that he is scared. Now here is a level 4 answer, and hopefully you can see the difference. The writer uses the language technique of repetition to describe Thomas as being frightened. You'll notice straight away the writer uses the language technique. That's the first mark. Of repetition to describe Thomas as being frightened. He ran as fast as he could. Good quotes. Shows Thomas is running away from something. Yep, the verb ran is repeated throughout the text, emphasizing Thomas's panic. This links back to his emotions, as we know he is scared. Great. We've done it. We've done a link. Why we know. We've explained the quotation. We've analysed it deeply. Because when it says deep analysis, it doesn't mean deep analysis, right? This is question 2. You have to give, not surface level, but go a bit deep. The verb ran is repeated throughout the text, emphasizing Thomas's panic, because we know he is scared. And we're showing the effect of the word ran, because it emphasizes to the reader that Thomas is panicking. This links back to his emotions, as we know he's scared. Now, this is in the same paragraph, the same first paragraph. To boost your marks, you need to include 2 techniques in the first paragraph that link to a similar theme. Furthermore, hyperbole is used to gain tension. He almost broke the sound barrier. He's exaggerating his speed for dramatic effect. Almost attempts to keep it on a realistic level, so not to over-exaggerate, because using too much hyperbole or over-exaggerating something isn't good. This links to how he is feeling, because it once again emphasizes that Thomas is running because he is scared. Now, what you could do is remove this, and rather than this, say, both of these techniques link. You could use that. Those are 2 ways to improve this answer. You remove this and you add this. Now, that's a level 4 answer right there, probably 7 or 8 marks. This is from 3 to 6 marks, quite a wide range, but this is a good answer. If you do this, you're good, but if you want to push yourself over the edge, write an answer like this.